Hi, I'm trying to demonstrate the headphones. So I've connected my iPad Air to the headphones, real tight here. Put some Kanye West music. Connected to the earphones. As you can see, this is the left. I hope you can distinguish it through the video. This is the left, which does play. Try to hear it. Okay. This is the right. I'm trying to separate them so you can hear that on the right there is no sound. The sound is coming from only from the left. Try this. Okay, no music. Again, left, you can hear. Right, you can only hear the left one really low. Tried to reset the cable and connect it to the right one. Or just replace cable, not the second one or my own, nothing. The right one doesn't play any music, no sound. We'll take a look again. I'll try. This is right. Try. Nothing. Now left. I hope you can hear it. Left is playing music. Bye.